Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cupcake inspired by Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this yummy cupcake, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the top. So I'm going to come right here and we're basically going to draw a big dumpling. Kind of like this usual dumpling shape that I draw for all my Draw So Cute characters. So nice big curve at the top. And then we're just going to bring it down, but it's just going to be a little bit longer. Taller, I mean. So just bring this down. And about right there, I'll start to bring it in. So it's all up to you how tall or short you want to make your cupcake. But I'll say about right there, I'll bring it in and then connect it at the bottom with a flatter curve. So now that we have the main shape in, let's come in here and bring it to life. So at the top right here, I'm going to draw a big cherry. So right in the center, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve for our cherry. And then right here on this top, I'm going to draw a curve and then bring out a stem. And then towards the end, I'm just going to thicken it up for our cherry. And then let's see here. Now that I'm looking at my camera, this part is popping out a little bit more. So I'll bring this down. Because I do want this center part to be a little bit more pointy. Okay, there. So then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to separate the different layers. So I'll come about right here and I'll drag a point right across. So I know where I'm going, about right there. And I'm going to draw 3 big curves for the cream part. And then one right in the center. And then one more. There. And I'll come in here and just round this part in. So we have the cream part, and then for the bottom part, for where the wrapper is, I'm going to come about right here. And once again, I'll just drag a point across since I'm drawing pretty big, so I know where I'm going. And I'll just go ahead and once again, just draw a curve right across. There. So we separated the cream and the wrapper part. Then from there, let's bring it to life with some Draw So Cute eyes. So I'll come about right here. Draw a big circle. And come right across about right here and draw another circle. And so let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So I'll come in here with 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Now that we have the eyes in, let's come above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And then let's give our cupcake a sweet smile. So right in the center, in between the eyes, draw a curve and cap it off. Aww. Okay, so that is literally pretty much it for our drawing, except, you know what, I'm going to, where should we add our heart? I'll add it right here to make it my Draw So Cute Squishmallow cupcake. And so now I'm going to come in here and just use some basic Crayola markers to color it. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this yummy cupcake turned out, inspired by Squishmallows, and I made this fun and easy for you to draw and color along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw Cute videos. See you later.